Hereford FC from side of country.
Sup guys, I'm back to make a video today. I'm interviewing Hereford's Jamie Bird. So Jamie, do you have any pre-match superstitions?
No, nothing. No, nothing at all on that. Depending how I feel on the day. So if I feel a bit tight, I might have a few stretch, but it's not every game. That's it.
Obviously, as well as being a footballer, do you have a day job as well?
Yes, I work for the local council around by me. Yeah.
What would be your dream job?
Obviously, a professional footballer. I think it's everyone's, isn't it?
What would be the first thing you bought if you won the lottery?
Oh, probably buy my mum a house or pay her mortgage off. Yeah, that's it.
What football team do you support?
Liverpool.
Okay, now for some fan questions. This is from Ethan Edwards. What is your favourite goal you have ever scored?
Against Leamington. I scored better goals, but I've meant the most. So that's probably my best one, yeah.
This is from Ryan Green. Are your Louis Vuitton trainers fake?
He knows that question, so I'm not even going to answer it. So.
This is from Andrew Dodgy Graham. With reference to Kieran Thomas's interview, would you date his girlfriend's mate?
Say that again, sorry.
With reference to Kieran Thomas's interview, would you date his girlfriend's mate?
No, I got a girlfriend, so no, I wouldn't. This
is from Lee Mills. Who's the best player you've played with and against?
Definitely against is Michael Essien. With, I better not say stuff. Won't be happy with it, but I don't know. Probably have to go technically Federico Makeda, probably. Yeah, probably Makeda.
This is from Stuart Price. Gravy, red sauce or brown sauce and chips?
Red sauce.
This is from Jordan Libbard. Is it true you're known as King Ratter?
It's a bit of banter between the boys. A bit silly in it, to be fair, but whatever.
This is from Simon Wright. According to Kieran Thomas, are you the biggest diva in the dressing room?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'm having myself massively, so.
This is from Andy Lawrence. How many pairs of trainers do you own?
Good question. I can tell you. Quite a lot.
Jamie's right foot. Jamie's right foot was 76 miles per hour. Jamie's left foot.
Hey.
Jamie got 68 with his left.
About the legs. So Jamie finished with 144 mile per hour total. Thanks for doing the interview, and good luck.